Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. It is that time of the year. It is the spring FabFitFun. So I have no memories of dropping things. I have no memories of what I chose. I know that there are two things sitting out that I'm just going to open up first, and I think we'll just dive into it and figure out what else I chose or what were add-ons, and you know the deal. One second, let me grab that. All right, guys. So the first thing that I see on top is, sorry for the noise, or maybe it can be some ASMR. Anybody ever notice that when I'm trying to say that I never say that properly? I just bought a microphone too, and it probably could have been really useful for now. All right, guys. So one of the things I chose was this hat. It is a bucket hat for summer, and then it has the white. It's interchangeable, so it's white one way, like that, and then it is the, what are they? Like lilies, I think? Or daisies. Daisies, that's what it is. Daisies on the side. Guys, I'm never good in these. Let's see how this goes. Yes? No? What do we think? Florida, need to keep my face looking right, guys? Alright, guys, so that's number one. We're just going to start throwing things on the ground like usual. And then number two actually goes with it. I don't know if I realized how much these all went together when I was picking them out, but I think this was my choice. It's the duffel bag. So it is the Alice and Olivia duffel. It is a full duffel with two handles, pretty large. It's like straps are the size of my head. So it's beautiful, and it goes with the exact print of the hat. So I think that's pretty cool. And I'll be using this for the beach and traveling and such. So I did pick that. Now, we've got this guy. We need a picture. Alright, good. So we have the spring FabFitFun. It is a large box, so bear with me. I'm trying to not knock things over in my vanity that is sitting in front of me. Hi, up close and personal. By the way, I did just do this look. It is a look from Nomad Cosmetics, and it will be up on my channel either before this or right after this, so keep a lookout for that one as well. I really love this company, and spoiler alert, I do compare them to Pat McGrath, so stick with me, guys. Alright, guys, so it says grow forth. I don't know what this is. This is for FabFitFun. If you guys want to get your own box, there's a code right there for $15 off. I'll also leave my code down beneath, so you can just click it by signing up. They do have these cute little stickers, adorbs. So they are FabFitFun Spring 2021. Yay. Yay. It's your time to bloom. I like that. Oh, that's cute. All right, guys. And then the infamous FabFitFun newspaper kind of catalog that's going to tell us a little bit about each product. So I will get to that after. We'll just start pulling things out. You know, there's no professionalism here, no organization. We're just doing me. I don't remember. Yes, I was so hoping I got these. All right, guys. So I actually am obsessed with these cotton rounds. I use these guys all the time. I'm a big, like, reusable, so I would just put my micellar water on here and then wipe my face away. Then you can just throw them. I actually have a little bag that one of my other ones came with, or you can throw them in the wash just like this, and it rinses them, washes them, and you're able to use them again. I think it's amazing for the world, for the environment, and they're really soft on the face, and I absolutely love them. They are perfect for just taking off all your makeup. I'm so excited I got these because I saw that they were a choice. I didn't know if everybody was going to get them, but we do know I got these so far. I'm just going to start pulling things out, y'all, okay? That's what we're going to do. Okay, so I'm not going to pull this completely out, but I'll show you what it is. The part of the Fab Fit came back into this, and I did choose it. It's a stretch out, like, ball and, like, I want to say pulleys, like we're in, like, I don't know, science class or something. You know what I'm trying to say. They're Let's read. Target the core area, build strength, burn calories, increase flexibility. Say yes to a better you. And this comes with a ultimate core toning kit, and it is a ball. That's what it says. And a core reformer, which looks like a little flower of ropes, so you can sit on one end and pull them to your arms or stretch out your legs. So that is very cool. That is something I chose. I don't know if I chose this or if this was picked out for me. I should always like want to give you my first impression of things, but then like I get into the bag and I'm like, wow, I should have opened all of this because you guys got to hear all of it. Sorry. And then there's another bag, a bag in the bag. For FabFitFun gets a little bit wasteful. There's a few boxes that I want to call out that get a little bit wasteful. Oh wait, I did pick these, I think. Okay, so they're like scarves. So I thought that they'd be cute for like, you know, the summertime. Even if you put your hair in a pony and then like wrap this around the pony and it kind of like hangs, that's cute. Or if you wanted to wrap this around your head and make like a, not like this obviously, but make a like a hairband for you, and also good for so there's that color, just to show you real quick. That color, it's like a I want to say like a really pretty blush color with flower design on it, but it's really abstract. And then the other color is just a regular beige nude color, perfect for summer, well, or spring, I guess it would be spring. Okay, so the next thing I have in here, this is not something, this must be something they chose for me because this is not something I would get myself. So it says Suns Out, Pouts Out, and it looks like they're called gold foil lip masks. And I believe it's a set, yes, it's a set of 4. And I guess they're vegan, infused with kayaka. You know how it is here. Kayaka and honeysuckle flower extract. Honeysuckle reminds me of my grandmother. I love it. I love the smell of it. But yeah, I guess it goes on your lips and nourishes, softens, soothes. That's what I'm saying right here. So did not pick those, but hey, happy to have them. I have pretty large lips, so I will take care of them. Okay, so this is something that I did choose. These are Hoslington. They're aloe infused lined socks, and then a pumice stone as well down here. So you would leave these on your feet. I believe it's for 20 minutes. And then you are able to gently hand wash with cold water. Do not bleach these socks. And I believe they are used up to 20 times, I want to say. Aloe infused spa pumice. I believe like when, you know, we get into the actual book, I'd probably know more. But you don't get that here. I love you all though. So it says release your feet noticeably softer. Use together or separately. So you could scrub, you know, your feet and then put them in the socks. Or you could just use the scrub in the bath or after getting out of the bath and use the socks whenever, you know, right before bed. So let me get rid of some of this without trying to be too loud. So I believe the only thing I have left in here, oh no, I'm sorry, I lied. There's 2 things left in here. Okay. So I have, oh yeah, I'm excited. I remember what this is. Okay, so this is a shorties. This is an LED indoor planter. So what I thought was so cool about this is that, hopefully I'll find a actual picture that you can see in the catalog. But what I found so cool about this is that you can actually grow different plants in this. It's a little home grower with like a tiny little lamp. And I thought it was really cool. And I believe it's supposed to come with basil inside. So you can, you know, grow some basil. Let me just look through here really quick. So, 1A was the Alice and Olivia Daisy print duffel bag, and that goes for $150. I also got 3B, which is 3B is the no, that's not it. Because that's 2, Jessica. That's 2. Alrighty. 3B is the Alice and Olivia reversible bucket hat. That's $85. I would never, ever pay $85 for that hat. whatever. You can buy like a white hat for like 20 bucks at Walmart. I don't understand. And probably is reversible as well, and some other color on the side. So this is what I was talking about. Look how cute this thing is, guys. I'm so excited. Okay, so that is the, let me find, I don't know why I'm doing this. It's a Short Stories LED indoor planner for $60, and then it's the True Leaf Italian large leaf basil seeds for $2.48. So I just really liked it because I thought it was really cool that you could grow other things in it as well. I do have a flower plant right now of orchids, and I'm growing aloe, and I thought basil would be fun. I'm just really starting to like plants, so that was my choice there. They say it's actually really good for your mental health to have plants around you. Things that growing around you is good for you. So there's that. And then, so I got 2E, which was the workout, and that is the, the Ultimate Core Toning Kit, Tore Your Cone. Tone your core. Holy crap. Oh, man. And mini ball for $50. I wasn't like real big on the like slippers or the MAC lipsticks or the, you know, stuff like that. I just felt like it was kind of boring. But I feel like something else that they sent me is the Earth Harbor Marina. Let's find this guy. So, this is 6C. It's Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening oh my gosh, I say this word all the time. I don't know how this happens, that every time I get on the video with you guys and I'm talking to you guys, I don't know if I'm getting nervous, but I just forget words. Like words that I know very well. Ampule. So that's here. And then we have 8A, and that is the reusable beauty round 3 rounds. My hair's been falling out. Sorry, guys. Reusable beauty rounds. It's a 3-pack. Ditch your makeup wipes. Please do. And use these reusable wipes. And I think that's it. I feel like that shouldn't be everything. Oh, wait. There's something hiding. Okay, so this is the Reverso Super Eye Serum with retinol. And I think I actually chose this, and I think I chose this because I was like, meh, about all the rest of the choices. I was like, meh, I don't know if I really care about the rest of the choices. So yeah, I think that I did choose this. I just figured I like skincare. I had the planner. I wasn't really into the jewelry. I don't want coasters. I literally have the exact slippers that it came with, which I'll show you guys everything I'm talking about right here. So I have these slippers. I have a planner that they sent me, or CosBox sent me, which CosBox should be coming soon, guys, probably next month. So look out for that. Yeah, so all in all, to get down to the bottom of it, I think it was a good box. I really liked it. I think I did add on 1 or 2 things. What those 1 or 2 things are, I couldn't tell you because I don't remember. However, I really like the bag and the hat a lot. I am so excited to start growing this. This is going to be so much fun. My son also likes to grow things. You can't go wrong with Aloe infused socks. They're great for your feet. I need to get back into being able to work out shape. I'm not allowed to do any strenuous workout. I'm not allowed to raise my heart rate. I'm not allowed to do so much stuff. So I figured like this is safe, at least for stretching, Pilates, resistance, stuff like that. So I feel like that could really, it really could tone you. Things like that aren't just like looked upon, like everybody thinks you have to go to the gym, you have to lift, you have to do this. Your own body resistance does a lot of really good if you just use resistance bands and start there. So if you're in the same place or something like me while you're watching this, please don't hesitate to go to like 5 and below and get resistant bands. They're really cheap and they're really helpful, even if it just keeps your body in motion. A body in motion stays in motion, guys. And it's also good for what we're here for, your mental health. So I spoke a little bit in my last video about, you know, some things that we are going to, I talked a little bit in my last video about something that I would like to challenge us to do for this upcoming month of March, and that is going to be to leave yourself affirmations every night on the mirror that you get ready and brush your teeth and wash your face, whatever it could be, do your makeup, whatever, and leave yourself an affirmation there. Say it to yourself several times in the morning, you know, each time you look up at it, and then carry it with you throughout the day. Not literally physically carry it, but like carry it with you in mind. So if you said, you know, I am worthy of the new job that I want. I am worthy of the love that I want. I am worthy, whatever it may be to you. You would stick that on there, and if you could change it every night, great. If you're having a really hard time with one thing, feel free to stick with that one thing all week, all month, however long you need to. But I said, even if you guys just give me a week of affirmations, different ones or the same, and come back and let me know, you know, if it worked for you or not. I really feel like it might work for you. And I feel like it's just something I want to try. Each month I try to give you guys something that I feel like could really help with our mental health and our growth. I am still slowly trying to figure out how I want to and can incorporate my life coaching and feeling good on the inside with what I love and doing my makeup on the outside. And I hope that these little things that I've been sending to you your way are helping even in the small bit, and that makes me so much happy. And trust me, I will get to where I want to be with this channel and doing that. If you have any suggestions, please feel free to leave that below. All my socials below. Don't forget to subscribe and like. I almost started the Laura subscribe to my channel before you leave. Subscribe. Okay. No, so yeah, I just really want everybody to be in good mindsets when you're in this space. I enjoy and love the fact that you are willing to spend this time with me, and it doesn't, you know, go miss beyond myself. I am very grateful for it. So I love you all. Wait, one thing. This is my friend's company. He is a comedian. You can find him at comedian Mel Harris on Instagram. He's selling these shirts. A lot of the gentlemen in our lives have shirts, and it just says the bearded one with a nice full beard. Please feel free to support him as we close out Black History Month. I hope that some of you were able to push my original first Black History video on, and shout out some other subscribers. I love the feedback that I got. Thank you so much. So I'm sending you all light and love, and I'm about to go edit and post this. I will see you on the next one. Love you so much. Look out for this tutorial. Bye, guys.